When it comes to your home's safety, your doors are the first and most important line of defense. In Birmingham, where homeowners value both style and security, upgrading your doors can make a major difference in protecting your property and loved ones. Modern door replacement services not only boost curb appeal but also introduce advanced security features designed to safeguard your home against intruders, weather, and wear over time. Why door replacement is a smart security investment. Old or worn-out doors can become weak points in your home's security system. Over time, hinges loosen, locks degrade, and materials warp or crack, all of which make it easier for break-ins to occur. By investing in a new door, you strengthen your home's protection and gain access to upgraded materials and locking mechanisms designed for today's security challenges. Newly installed doors in Birmingham often come with features such as reinforced steel cores, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass. These elements provide enhanced resistance against forced entry, giving homeowners peace of mind that their property is safe day and night. Additionally, many replacement doors are fire-rated, providing valuable extra minutes in an emergency situation. Advanced locking systems for maximum protection. Modern door designs are built with technology that goes beyond the traditional deadbolt. Multi-point locking systems, for instance, secure the door at several points along the frame, making it extremely difficult to pry open. Smart locks are another popular upgrade. These can be controlled remotely via smartphone apps, offering both convenience and advanced safety. For Birmingham homeowners, professional door contractors can customize locks and security systems to match your specific needs. Whether you prefer a sleek keyless entry system or a high-security locking mechanism with reinforced hardware, replacing your door is an opportunity to integrate the latest safety technologies seamlessly. Durable materials for long-lasting safety. When it comes to door materials, not all are created equal. Choosing the right one can dramatically improve both security and energy efficiency. Steel doors are among the strongest options available, offering excellent resistance to impact and weather damage. Fiberglass doors, on the other hand, combine strength with insulation benefits, helping to maintain indoor comfort while resisting dents and warping. For those who prefer the timeless look of wood, modern treatments and layered construction can add strength without sacrificing elegance. Many Birmingham homeowners opt for composite doors, a combination of materials engineered for durability and performance. These doors resist cracking, fading, and warping even under the area's varying weather conditions, ensuring long-term protection and value. Improved safety with better glass and frames for entry doors that feature glass panels or sidelights. Today's safety glass technology has come a long way. Laminated or tempered glass options are designed to withstand impact without shattering into dangerous shards. This adds both beauty and safety to your entrance, allowing natural light while still keeping intruders out. Similarly, door frames play a crucial role in home security. A strong door can only do so much if the frame is weak or damaged. Replacing the door often includes upgrading the frame with reinforced steel or composite materials, creating a fully integrated security barrier that stands up to pressure and time. Boosting property value and peace of mind beyond safety, replacing your doors also increases your home's overall value and appeal. A stylish, secure entryway enhances curb appeal, while potential buyers appreciate knowing that modern safety features are already in place. For Birmingham residents, where both historic charm and modern comfort matter, door replacement provides the perfect blend of aesthetics and function. Most importantly, the investment in security translates directly into peace of mind. Knowing that your family, belongings, and property are protected allows you to enjoy your home more confidently, no matter the time of day or season. Conclusion: security and safety upgrades through door replacement are more than just a home improvement project. They're an investment in your comfort and confidence. From stronger materials and advanced locks to improved insulation and visual appeal, today's door systems are designed to perform at every level. If you're a Birmingham homeowner looking to enhance your home's security, Consider partnering with a trusted local door replacement expert to find the right combination of safety, style, and durability.